The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for our area until 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado near the town of Jarrettsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Bel Air, Darlington, Rising Sun, and Elkton. Take cover now in a basement or interior room in your home. Cover yourself with pillows or blankets to protect yourself from flying debris. Do not leave your shelter until the storm has passed.